Hello viewers, in today's video we are looking at multiplication of complex numbers, and we have been given this question, which is z1 is equals to 1 minus I3 and z2 to be equals to minus 2 plus I5, and you can only achieve this by assuming that this I squared should be equals to minus 1. So now let's get started with this question. How can you determine with these values which we have by multiplication? We can say that we have z1 times z2 should be equals to 1 minus I3, the bracket, then open bracket, z2, this z2 we have minus 2 plus I5. Okay, this is an expression which I have written here. The question mostly come in this way, so you must take it in this way for you to multiply. Okay, so here we are going to multiply 1 times negative 2, we are going to have minus 2, then 1 times I5, we are going to have plus I5, then minus I3 times minus 2, we are going to have plus 6 I6, then minus I3 times I5, we are going to have minus I squared 3 times 5, which is 15. Okay, and remember that we have said that you must assume all qualities should be in this, which are in this form. You should substitute with negative 1. If you can see here, you have this expression which you have here. So we are going to have minus 2 plus I5 plus I6. Then here you're going to, where this here, remove the brackets. Where is there's the I squared, you're going to substitute with negative 1, so in which it will be minus, open brackets, minus 1 times 15 here in the bracket. Okay, in which you're going to have minus 2 plus I5 plus I6, you are going to have I11, then negative times negative, which is it. Let's multiply first what is in the bracket, minus, open bracket, minus negative 1 times 15, which is negative 15, the brackets, then minus 2 plus I11, then negative times negative, which is positive 5, positive 15 here. Okay, in which you are going to have minus 2 plus I11 plus 15. If you can see this, you click right here. Minus 2 plus 15, you are going to have 13 plus I11. So this is where we end. This is our answer for this question here. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so the next time you may see the